Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Fill out the missing part on the table below. Find value of time. So we have to find time, which will be here. We know relation of simple interest with principal rate and time is given by simple interest equal to principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time, whole divided by 100. So we simply have to put these given values and find the missing value. Interest is given by $62.4, so we'll write 62.4 over here. Principal is given as $10,400. Rate is given as 0.20%, so that percent will be written like this: 0.20 divided by 100 multiplied by time. Now we have, in order to find time, we'll simply take all of these numbers on the left hand side. So we'll start with 100. Since 100 is dividing here, it will multiply over there on the left hand side. So 62.4 multiplied by 100 is equal to 10400 into 0.20 into time. So time can be calculated as t equal to 62,624 0. I have removed 100 by multiplying here, so divided by 10,400 multiplied by 0.20. So that is equal to, let's see, again I will get rid of these two zeros by multiplying to 0.20. So that will be 6240 divided by 104 into 100 into 0.20. So that will be 6240 divided by 104 into 20. So these zeros will get cancelled out. Let's see. So that leaves us, we know that 104 when multiplied by 6 will give us 624. So this will be 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. So we get time as 3 years. Let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option B.